So this Jewish man's coming into Ellis Island, and he's very nervous about what's going to happen to him. And someone from the Hebrew Immigration Aid Society, a landsman even, says to him, "Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just when they ask you your name, tell them it's Rockefeller. Because in America, if your name is Rockefeller, you have it made." So this little Jewish man is like, Rockefeller, Rockefeller, I remember this foreign name. He's going through, of course, all these, the process, Ellis Island takes a long, long time. It could be like more than a day, whatever. Finally, he's trying to remember this name. He gets to the end of the process. They ask him, "What is your name?" And he's like, it just left him. He can't remember. He goes, "Oi, ich hab schon vergessen." He goes, the official goes, "What?" Of course, ich hab schon vergessen. I've forgotten in Yiddish already. So he goes, "Oi, schon vergessen." And the official writes down, "Okay, Sean Furgeson." And he gets this beautiful Irish name. Okay. I'm sure it's not true. Okay. I'm sure the story is apocryphal. You hear these kinds of stories, how names were changed by the officials and stuff. I love that story, the Sean Ferguson stories, I call it. Okay, Sean Ferguson story.